This is the elevator at the SpringHill Suites, Sarasota, Florida. I cannot believe it. This was a ThyssenDover installed in 2000, and it's already been modernized. Wow. Here we are at 3. Wow, it's low in oil too. Here's a hallway. Let's ring the bell, shall we? It's got 2 different chimes. We're gonna go to 1. I don't know what year this was modernized, but I first filmed this in 2016 and it was still a ThyssenDover. This hotel looks way different from when I first visited it. I think we're gonna get off here. We're gonna go for one more ride. The door close button is gone. Down at 1. I'm actually curious to know what the machine room sounds like. If you listen from outside the machine room. But yeah, pretty wild. A relatively new elevator gets modernized, and post-modernization isn't running so great because it's low in oil. Let's take a listen. Sounds fine from here. Anyway, that'll be